What's up, people? So it is Expo Show 2026. Today is setup day, so we're gonna go and get the van loaded. We've got to drive the disco there. Hopefully she makes it. Two other Epsom Greens. So we've got 3 Epsom Green Discovery 2s on the stand. We've been very busy this past couple of weeks getting all the stock ready, getting my disco ready. Got some new wheels on the truck. I've had a new windscreen fitted from obviously at last pay and play day. We smashed it in, so we're all raring and ready to go. I need to got some little bit of stock there, and then yeah, that's it. So let's go and get loaded and get to the show. There's Murphy. Yeah, right. So we're gonna get set. We're gonna get everything loaded up now. We've got quite a bit to put in the van, so all the snorkel materials, bench, some stuff under that blue sheet, all in the back of the van. Let's do it. We're on our way up. We are an hour late from setting off, which is better than we've ever done before, so I'm chuffed with that. Let's we're convoying over, try and get some B-roll of us all together, but yeah, excited, let's go. We're here. It's a lot quieter than it was last time we came, but obviously we came really late last time. Let's get inside and get parked up and get set up. Right at the back, right side, yeah.
Let's put these on straight away for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right down there, mate, I think. Big up in the squeeze in through here. I want to take you stand with us.
Loads of room. Where are we?
That's it.
All this?
All this.
Yep. Get that wheel out and get the wheel up. He said to me loads of times that I could just, if you need to come out a little bit, come out a little bit. Come back, come on. Wait that. Yeah, come on.
to go home.
Yeah.
We're all set up, I think. Got to get the hoodies out and whatnot tomorrow, but that'll be it, I think. You happy, James?
Living the dream.
You happy, James?
Living the dream.
Are you happy, Cameron?
Living the dream.
Are you happy, Dad?
No.
Typical. Right,
Typical old fucker.
get back here tomorrow. No, they're all yours, you need to get them. No, we haven't got one. You've already got one. Right, we're saying bye, what? See you all tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Right, the show is pretty much done. So as usual, me and James are going for a wander. We're going to have a little look about and see what there is. Little dude's running about like a madman. Tire him out, ready for bed. Well, there's another room here at Expo Show today. So we're going to have a look at that, see what's in there. Smile, boys. Stay up, sorry, mate. Right, it's pack up time. Let's get everything away. What? No idea.
Did one of you put your foot behind?
What are you doing, driving it off now? Nope. Well, that's it. LRO Show 2020. LRO Show. That's it, the Expo Show 2026 done. Thank everyone who came and bought stuff off us. Appreciate you all as always. Drive this home now and get packed up at the unit. That's us.